to fix Android IP address unavailable error. So this usually means your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi, but the router failed to give it an IP address. So there is official Wi-Fi troubleshooting by Google, and it recommends forgetting and re-adding the network, restarting your phone or router, or even both, checking updates and resetting network settings if needed. So the first one is to just go ahead and restart your Wi-Fi. Just turn this off and wait a few seconds. Turn this back on, and you can do this for your router as well. Then once that's done, you can go ahead and hold the power button and just restart your phone real quick. And then just wait for your phone to turn on, of course. The next thing you can do is to go ahead into your device settings, go ahead into Wi-Fi or network and internet connection, and then go ahead and choose the Wi-Fi you're currently connected to. From there, just go ahead and scroll down and press on forget network and just reconnect with the same password. Other than that, if it still says IP address unavailable, the problem may be on the router side, so you can check if too many devices are connected, make sure DHCP is enabled in the router settings, or try connecting to another Wi-Fi network to confirm whether the issue is your phone or your router. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.